Welcome to this 2022 Winnebago Inspire 34AE, a truly rare diesel pusher that was purpose-built for accessibility from the factory. Riding on the Freightliner XCS chassis with a smooth 340 horsepower diesel engine, this coach combines premium comfort with thoughtful design, making it an exceptional choice for travelers who value independence, convenience, and quality. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the spacious, open layout. A Braun commercial wheelchair lift with both key fob and wall-mounted remote operation allows for completely independent entry and exit. Wide hallways provide access to the bedroom and bathroom even with the slide retracted, making travel days far more practical than in most motorhomes. Up front, the powered swivel cab seats make transferring between the driver's area and the living space easy and comfortable. The living room features a powered love seat that reclines or converts into additional sleeping space. The kitchen is designed for real everyday cooking, offering premium countertops, generous workspace, and a custom flip-up counter extension for added prep space. Instead of a traditional microwave, you'll find a green pan toaster oven, air fryer, and convection oven that provides even more cooking versatility. Moving toward the rear, the accessibility-focused bathroom features a true roll-in shower with an adjustable shower head and assist bar, along with a porcelain toilet and excellent storage throughout. In the bedroom, the powered queen bed is fitted with a premium Sayatva mattress, creating a comfortable place to relax after a day on the road. A stacked washer and dryer add the convenience of home, while the included Dyson vacuum helps keep the interior looking its best. Stepping back outside, the Moonlight full body paint gives this Inspire an elegant appearance that's complemented by factory aluminum wheels and a 17-foot power awning. You'll also appreciate over 153 cubic feet of exterior storage, providing plenty of room for mobility equipment, camping gear, and everything else you want to bring along. This coach is equipped with a Truma tankless hot water heater for continuous hot water, while both the chassis and house batteries were replaced in 2026. It also received a fresh oil change in June of 2026, has had a roof oxidation treatment, has always been stored indoors while plugged in, and comes from a non-smoker with no pets. Originally carrying an MSRP of more than $366,000, opportunities to own a factory-built accessible diesel pusher like this are incredibly rare. If you've been searching for a motorhome that combines premium craftsmanship, true accessibility, and outstanding condition, this Winnebago Inspire deserves your attention. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.